would you want to hold a snake?
Why not?
You
We are
started
in
already?
Bali with these wonderful vegetarian animals. Welcome to my villa in Bali. Check out this beautiful nature living in the jungle. Here we are at a pool with the mother goose. Good floaty. This is the signature floating item in Bali. You'll see many people have one and you'll find them in many stores. Pool goes deep. It goes to, I think, 2 meters deep. And you got these walking steps. You got me over here. That's my room. Here's the living room. And the kitchen. Give you a tour of my room. This is what the bedroom looks like. It has the curtains to keep mosquitoes out. And a desk. And it does have a bathroom. But it's semi-outdoors. You can see it's got gaps for the outside. So that's the bathroom at a stone. And you have another doorway to exit, but I prefer to keep the bugs out. And let's take up the upstairs. The upstairs, not their bedroom, and the room, TV room. You can watch TV up here. Whoa, whoa, look at that bug. Whoa, whoa, whoa. That's a huge bug. Got some ping pong table here. The TV. Second floor view of the pool. It's got curtains, shades. You can see some rice fields. And other villas, other homes. Gecko ate the bat. It's got a bat. It's eating it. Big gecko got the bat. Ooh. What's happening? That's crazy. Oh boy. Struggling. Yeah, where are you gonna go? Look at it, ate the bat. Damn. Oh crap. Look at that. Get it. Go get it. Eat a bat. Yeah, go home now. So here we are at the rice paddies. Doesn't look like the ones I've seen from drone footage, but pretty close. Maybe it's a different season, maybe they need to be cut or harvested. So here we are in part of Bali with the waterfalls. We're gonna go check out the waterfalls in this park, or pretty much the Bali jungle. But I'm going to the waterfall. First person point of view. I'll talk about it. It's too dark. Need sunlight. Whoa. The bamboo bridge. Whoa. Oh, it's not very swimmable, it's very shallow. A lot of wind and water here. Feeling your face, very windy and loud from this water. But it's beautiful. We're walking down to the another waterfall. Where are the snakes? Where's the jungle animals? Oh, another village. Let's see the waterfall this way. Yeah. You can go this way too. It's the same. Yeah. I think you're close. It looks easier. Here we are. Going to see some more waterfalls in Bali. Is it recording? So we are in
already?
Bali with these wonderful vegetarian animals. My friend John, his name is John. Oh, it's falling, it's falling, it's falling.
John does not like the video.
Next, best man.
Like, oh, there's a bat on the tree too. Is it pooping?
I don't know. What is it? I want to know what his skin feels like, but I'm scared to touch it. I don't want to touch it.
It's soft. It's not like.
Berani?
Nggak suka kulitnya, Pak. Geli.
Halus.
Ini anaknya ya, Pak?
Ya.
Dapat dari mana ini, Pak? Hutan?
Beli dulu waktu kecil piara.
When do they eat? When did you feed them last?
Every 2 weeks.
It'll be
2
so
weeks?
cold if I take picture with them, but
Python.
Yes, python.
Oh. Wow.
If you want to try like this, put on your legs,
Yeah.
take picture with the leg.
Berapa?
30,000 tergantung.
Thousand.
Many picture up to you. For all animal.
Oh, not 30,000.
All animal. There, everything.
Okay. Yeah, we'll take first a picture up there. First, take a picture up there and come back here. Safe. It's not gonna eat me. It's not gonna.
No. Vegetarian snake.
Yeah. Okay.
Vegetarian.
vegetarian.
Yeah.
Thank you. Gonna take a picture?
Yeah, well, yeah, I can pay him. You wanna? Let's take a picture here first.
Huh?
Let's take a picture here first, and then.
You gonna pay him to take a picture of the snake?
Yeah, he said it's 30,000. It's not free. He's got to make money somehow.
But why would you want to hold a snake?
Why not?
Oh.
Are you feeding him? Eating?
Yeah.
He's eating. Oh, he's just playing. You gonna take the camera? Siapa namamu?
Rose.
Bruce.
Rose.
Oh, he's taking the camera. He's taking the camera. Oh, tidak. Oh, look at this lizard.
Yang tujuh.
Whoa. Goodbye, lizard. Goodbye, iguana.
Iguana.
Oh,